everyone, welcome to Yourpedia Campus Placement, and this is Shikha. So friends, lot of companies, PSUs, MNCs are visiting your campuses to recruit you as a young professional in your various core domain, technical, non-technical, right? So I have got a feedback from a student ki ma'am, there are a lot of multinational companies are also visiting our campuses, and one of that is, you can say, Alpha Level. Alpha Level is one of the company basically, which is a Swedish, you can say Swedish multinational company in heat transfer, right? So this is related to designing, manufacturing and heat transferring. So basically, if you are very interested in that kind of field, so this you can say campus placement is the opportunity to get you up, right? So this is a renowned company, renowned multinational company, and you are seeking your career, your opportunity is the private sector, in the multinational company sector basically. It would be a great opportunity, right? So today in this particular video, we'll be going to discuss most of the key important pointers related to this company, which you need to keep in mind while you're sitting in the interview of this campus basically. See, they always used to be asking, what do you know about our company? Okay, what do you know about the mission and vision of our company? Who is the chairman of our company? For how long you will work in that? See, there's a separate video for common asked HR question that you can watch it out. Simultaneously need to prepare for the specific company too. Let's get started. This is related to Alpha Level, okay? And these are the things we always used to prepare whenever we are sitting in any campus placement interview. Important pointers if I'll talk about, it's Alpha Level ABA is a Swedish multinational specialization in heat transfer, separation and fluid handling solutions with a legacy spanning over 140 years. The company is headquartered in, you can say, Sweden basically, right? Then it comes to it operates 42 large production units. Then Alpha Level employs more than 22,300 people globally and reported annually a sales of this SEK 66.9 billion. So you can say जब ये 140 years से serve कर रही है, so can you imagine the turnover of this company? Can you imagine the reputation of this company? So if you are also going to prepare, that would be a reputed company and you're going to get this best of the opportunity. Now, company is also listed on SART Stockholm and maintains a strong financial position with an order book of SEK 50.3 billion as of 2025. It also holds over 2,000 patents reflecting its commitment to innovation and continuous product development, investing 2.5% of sales annually in R&D. Okay? So 2.5% invest करती as 2% बोला हुआ है, but as by the God grace it is doing very good, so they are contributing a bit more. Key historical milestones की फिर talk about 1883 में it has been founded, AB separator was founded and D level cream separator corporation limited was established in USA. ठीक है? 1938 में it began manufacturing heat exchangers, which later became its headquarter, that particular place. 1963 में company changes name to Alpha Level AB, reflecting the Alpha Disk innovation. 1991 में it has been acquired by Tetra Pak, later become a Tetra Level Group company. And 2002 में it has been relisted on the Stockholm Stock Exchange, established modern Alpha Level AB. Right? Now Fortune Global 500 की is ranked on Forbes Global 2000 and it is regularly recognized industry. कोर बिजनेसेस क्या क्या हैं, आपको इसके कोर बिजनेसेस एरिया के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. एनर्जी डिवीजन, फूड एंड वाटर डिवीजन, मरीन डिवीजन, आफ्टर मार्केट सोल्यूशन. कोर बिजनेस एरियाज, प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज, हिस्टोरिकल की माइलस्टोन्स की व्हेन इट हैज बीन कॉर्पोरेटेड, कब वो एक्वायर हुआ, कैसे वो एक्सपैंड किया, तो वो आपको पता होना चाहिए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज की अगर मैं बात करूँ, इट इज रिनाउंड इन हीट ट्रांसफर, सेपरेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, fluid handling, specific solutions by vertical, energy, oil and gas processing, food and water, dairy processing में आ गया, marine ballast water treatment system, fuel treatment modules आ गया. Top management कौन है? President is Tom Rexon. Chairman of the board is Anders Nervingen. ठीक है? Current initiatives are basically advancing energy efficiency and clean technologies में ये वो कर रहा है. Digital transformation and condition monitoring, strategic partnership, service excellence and life cycle solutions. See, technology digitalization, these are the two important current initiatives which every company is taking, and every company is trying to expand itself in that particular domain. Why? Because that is the need of our. So whenever you feel कि मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैं इसके current initiative में क्या बोलूँ, तो आप टेक्नोलॉजी को जरूर इंटीग्रेट करें. करंट न्यूज यहाँ पे चेकआउट कर सकते हो, फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट एंड मेजर प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च, TS25 सेमी वेल्डेड हीट एक्सचेंजर जो लॉन्च हुआ है, 72 ऑयल प्लस डिकैंटर, AI ड्राइवन कंडीशन मॉनिटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म, कैपिटल मार्केट डे अनाउंसमेंट. And these are the interview questions. So basically there are 3-4 major interview questions. What do you know about alpha level AB? Why do you want to join and how you're going to be contribute? These are the major 3 questions जो आपको जब आप इंटरव्यू में बैठोगे तो आपसे जरूर पूछे जाएंगे. Make sure ये आपको पता हो. What do you know about this particular company? You need to be tell them कि like about what this company is, what it is doing, who is the chairman. Why do you want to join? It's strong innovation, it's strong technological transformation, and it is also offering us diversification business where we can contribute. Fluid mechanics, heat exchanger, lot of things are there. Then how you are also going to be contribute with your technical skills, with your analytical skills, and with your, you can say, the exposure what you have got in your campus and what you have studied. Now you're going to be apply the technical skill in practical. That is the overview of these answers. You can have a look. ये answers के साथ given है. And if you want to see alpha level at a brief note, this is headquartered in Sweden. It's a public company and you can say founded Christopher D. Level and Oscar Lemon 1883 में. Global ranking है Forbes Global 2000. Industry leader है in heat transfer and separation. These are the products and services: heat exchangers, centrifuges, pumps and valves, marine solution, and food and biotech systems. Right? So this is all about this particular company. If you also targeting this like alpha level interview in your campus placement, kindly do read this documentation for the best of the preparation and prepare these questions with your peer mentors and live HR sessions. All the very best. Looking forward to mentor you out.